Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another nail art tutorial for you all, and in this particular video, thank you so much to Model Ones for sending me out these gel polishes along with a top coat and base coat and their 6-watt lamp. So here I'm just demonstrating to you everything that they sent me, and I will be showing you the colors of each gel polish. I won't be swatching them in today's video, but I will be showing you how they look and their consistency. So here I will be doing that. And by the way, I do have a coupon code that I will have here displayed on the screen along with on the description box below. If you're interested in purchasing anything, you can use my code and I get a small commission off of that. So if you'd like to support me, that is one of the ways you can do so if you'd like. But yeah, here I am just going to continue showing you all these swatches of the colors, and then we'll get right into this tutorial. So moving along, I'm just briefly showing you me sizing my full coverage nails. I purchased these a while ago through Amazon. They were probably like $3, and these are coffin shaped. So here I'm just removing the shine and prepping the nails for the base coat. So after I'm finished doing that, I'm just grabbing my dusting brush and removing the dust, and now I'm going to go ahead and apply the base coat to all the nails and then cure it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. First, I'm starting off with color 1143, and I'm going to be adding these to all the nails except for the middle finger and the ring finger. Those particular nails I'm going to be doing a different color for. So here I'm just going to be showing you the consistency of the polishes. I did notice that they're not as potent in color, they're not as opaque, but that's fine. These are the type of gel polishes that you do have to build up. I did do a total of 2 coats and it turned out stunning and fabulous. I like how they're thick, they're very easy to work with, but like I said, these colors in particular were sheer, but that is fine. You just build them up. If you don't really like building up colors, then this wouldn't be a product that you would really like, because I know I have showed it in my channel before where I've had some polishes that with a 1 coat, literally it's super opaque, it's super pigmented, but these in particular don't work that way. But I absolutely still loved the way that they functioned at the end. So now I'm going in with the second color of choice and just applying these on very quickly, and I did do a total of 2 coats, so you guys will see the process here. So after I am done with each layer, I will go and cure them under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. So here I'm doing the second coat, and then we are all done. Let me know what you guys thought about this particular nail tutorial. I absolutely loved it. I love the nail art I incorporated in it, and I also love the combination of these colors together. I thought it was so pretty. Now we're going on and applying some top coat to adhere some rhinestones that I will be applying to the nails, and also some decals that I decided to place last minute on the nails. So here I'm just going to briefly be showing you what I am doing fairly quickly, and then we're going to move on to the decals. And I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial so far. Thank you so much for always supporting my channel. I'm always very grateful and very appreciative to everyone who takes the time to show love, watch my content. Whatever the case may be, it really means a lot. I'm always very appreciative on that. You know, this wouldn't be possible without you guys' support. So obviously it is very important for me to always constantly say this in my tutorials or in the content that I create, because I never want you guys to feel like your love and support goes unnoticed, because it definitely doesn't. I always enjoy applying caviar beads to just enhance the look of the rhinestones. I always apply them to all these sides and they turn out really pretty. So that is what I am doing here. And next we're going to move on to the next part of this nail tutorial. And I always try to focus on making these tutorials very achievable and very simple that you guys can recreate. And if you guys ever recreate anything that you guys saw on here, or anything that you guys thought of yourselves, please tag me on the pictures on Instagram or send me a DM. I definitely love to see and repost them, because I absolutely love seeing your guys' work. So yeah, here I am just going ahead and applying these decals to the water for like 10 seconds, and then I'm just gonna be directly applying them to the nails. It's very simple, very easy, and I absolutely love decals. I always mention that. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the nail tutorial. So lastly, I'm going to be applying the top coat that Model 1 sent me, the shiny top coat, and I will also be going ahead and applying a matte top coat for the ring finger where it has the flowers on it. I wanted to mattify that particular nail, so here that is what I'm going to be doing. And next we're going to jump in and apply some cuticle oil. And that is it for today's tutorial. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.